Alright, what's going on, guys? Sorry for the late stream, but so right now we're currently looking at your NZD to take it long. I'm not gonna rush anything today. Just gonna be patient with it. Also looking at Nasdaq as well. We got Euro JPY, JPAUD, JPAUD on the liquid 50 short buys, but the EMAs are bullish, so counter trend. JPAUD bullish, but there's no signal to present. EA just swapping liquid 50. Your cat looks like it's just choppy right now at the current moment. Liquid 50 is rising. And, we got this weird, candles right over here. So, we'll see what we do toward the 50 over here. We got any, bearish divergence to take it short. But I honestly don't like how probably this is probably news that affected it right over here. Do we got some kind of divergence here, but that's bullish divergence. So nothing at the moment. GN. If we take it long right over here. Bullish. High time frames are bullish. No entry yet though, so we'll see. We'll see if it pulls back toward the 50. Then everything else is pretty just, nothing really good in my opinion. GJ. Maybe we can see something short off the daily pivot. But to be honest, it is kind of counter time frame from the higher time frames. We do got some divergence right over here. But I honestly don't think it's gonna be like proper structured divergence. I think it's just gonna fall. Break the 850 without no retest and just fall. So that's why I'm unsure of this idea. So yeah, currently looking at your NTD. The divergence is just, really small. If you go all the way down here, we got some hidden divergence. As price is rising, our side is falling. But these 2 points are rising as price is falling. And plus, we got the 15-minute for higher time frames to be long bias. But no really retest that I saw here. Technically, you can count this as a retest, but I wanted more confirmation. See, we're off to Asia. Liquid 50 is falling. I don't like how that is. Unfortunately, this does make it a really bad, shitty setup. Even though Liquid 50 is right, it's in the buy zone. I just don't like trading whenever the Liquid 50 is falling. Because it obviously tells you something. Let's look at the 1 hour real quick. We do have some divergence from right over here. One daily. Liquid 50 is up in the buy zone again. E major long buys. 4 hour. Long buys, long buys. Let's see what we do here in the 15-minute. We are making lower highs from here, which I don't know. I'm kind of reluctant to even try to take this long. So from here to here to here. We are making a higher low from here to here. Yo, appreciate it, Jack, bro. Yeah, it's gonna be amazing today. I'm gonna go pick it up today, so it's gonna be fun. It has autopilot on already, so I'm gonna have some fun with it. I mean, obviously the higher time frames are long buys, but still gotta be careful with it. I don't like how the liquid 50 is falling like that, and then as well as we're making lower highs. We're still above the 50, so it's still kind of in my plan. But I would like to see a retest of structure. That's whenever I'll try to enter, if I see an entry. If I don't, then it is what it is. Yeah, I totally see that D2. At the same time, we could see this pop all the way up. It's just, you know, the probabilities aren't fucking diminished as it is above the 50. So that's the only thing I like about it at the moment. But once we break the 50 and continue going down, then yeah, it would be a shitty idea. But I don't know. Since the pivot, usually whenever the pivot and 200 EMA are right there at the same level, the probabilities of it hitting this level right over here and bouncing off it are really high actually. So even though it's gonna be a swapping liquid 50 by the time it goes to the 200 EMA, it's an idea. I could try taking it long. You said gold. Yeah, give me 1 second. All right. So someone said gold. Um, Looks like silver is down, unfortunately. Yeah, I mean it's of course it's long bias, but looks like we're seeing a pullback off the 200 EMA. So I mean obviously on the 15-minute, looks like it's starting to see some kind of pullback off right over here. We got some divergence here telling you that we could start seeing we could start seeing it going up. So yeah, currently that's what I look at. Just off it, and then 200 EMA pull back, and then it looks like it's trying to continue going up again, which makes sense. But I don't personally trade gold anymore. Probably could have taken it long right over here. About 1 hour. Interesting. You could see this going up. You got some divergence here. It is starting to make lower highs from here. Lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. Yeah, we're making higher lows, but it is hidden divergent. There's hidden divergence on here as the RSI is falling, so that's a bearish signal. We don't use it here in XFX, but for me, it's not the most accurate signal, but it tells me that maybe price wants to decide to continue going down. Let me do a quick Instagram story. Hey guys, what's going on? So we're currently looking at Euro NZD for one of our watch list pairs. To take it long, something that I don't like from here is we're making lower highs in the 50-minute chart. We have some hidden bearish divergence right from right over here as the price is rising, RSI is falling. So we'll see. We have some bearish divergence on here as well on the top. So we'll see. I kind of want to see like maybe, yeah, I like how the Liquid 50 is holding the buy zone. But again, there is, Liquid 50 is falling on the 15-minute as well as TL, which is something I personally don't like. But yeah, we'll see if this ends up going, breaking these zones and heading up all the way to the top. And I'm also looking at NASDAQ as well. Take it long. I think we're going to see some kind of long bias with this pair today, just because we're seeing a pullback from yesterday, from yesterday's long move right over here. So yeah, we'll see what happens over here. Looks like it's struggling with the divergence zone. One 1690. So I took a long position on Nasdaq. Got until late, kind of a late of an entry at 1.69. Right over here. 1.659. Yeah, really late entry. I wouldn't recommend doing this shit. But I put my stop from right over here. Right at this level. Holy shit. I just saw that. What the fuck? I have never seen. Holy crap. Holy shit. Is there news? Holy fuck. What the fuck? What the fuck? I'm closing half. What the fuck? I didn't see that. What the fuck? Holy shit. What the fuck? Holy shit. Literally just went fucking. What the fuck? I just made literally 2% by closing half. Holy shit. Oh my god. Holy fuck. Still continue going up. That is insane. What the fuck? I don't even know what happened here. What the fuck? What was that? What the fuck? Holy shit, what happened here? Is there news? There's no news here. 7:30 is the news that's for here. Holy crap. I just closed a little bit more than half at 2%. Holy fuck. That was so fucking fast. I was looking at my position and then I looked a second, I saw this fucking big candle. I was like, what the fuck? That's insane. What a fucking move. I was scalping it with a small position and that small position turned into fucking big ass 2% for the Friday. What the fuck? Nothing moves so quickly. Literally like what, like 3R in like 15 seconds. Let me make a quick Instagram story. That's hilarious. Alright, hey guys, what's going on? So I ended up taking a scalp on Nasdaq from right over here. So I know we were long bias, so that's why we were seeing bullish divergence here. And literally, like, I was just trying to scalp 1R, and I was looking at my positions just to see, if I should add in a little bit. And then literally, like, the next second, I see this fucking big ass bar right over here. I was like, holy crap, that was so quickly. So I literally made like what, like almost 5R in like less than 15 seconds. So I closed half at 2% literally, which is freaking insane. Like I've never had that before in the last 2 months of me trading Nasdaq. So that was a really big move right over here. And as you can see on the 15 minute, big candle as well from right over here. So really strange kind of bar. There's no news like from at least what I see. Like I need to check out the breaking news, but I didn't see any news today. There's news at 7:30 for the US dollar, but I didn't see anything else for like in the early in the morning. So that was insane. That was really insane. Literally closed half and made 2% on that move. So yeah. I don't know what you mean, Will. But anyways, so I think literally Aurora was like 30 points really fast. So we'll see what we do here. This is kind of like the move that reminded me of yesterday whenever I was trading Nasdaq. Really, we saw those kind of bullish bars, and then we saw that continuation. So this could be literally the move that I failed to take advantage of yesterday as I got stopped out for the rest of my position. So we'll see what we do here. That was insane. I've never seen that happen before so quickly. Like in the last 2 months of me trading Nasdaq, I know in March and April I definitely, of course, I saw that because of the volatility. But we'll see what we do here. The next level will be right over here that I have marked up. Technically right over here, but this would be something that I'll be looking for. See if we'll pass it. But yeah, I have my air closed more than 50%, so then my log is stopped by break even, so I can't lose on this trade. But yeah, that was a really fucking big ass winner. Yeah, I don't really believe in any of that, Will, or like, manipulated price, buyers and sellers, market makers trying to stop people out and their stop losses. I don't believe in that. I believe the market could do literally whatever it fucking wants. I just believe in price action. Fundamentals, of course, play a huge role in indices, of course. Which, to be honest, it could have been something with what. Let me check about Trump tweeting. Could be because of the coronavirus. Could be a bunch of other things. There could be the news that it had where, coronavirus, 170 COVID vaccines in development. Here's what they stand. There's a lot of things affecting the Nasdaq. We see Ian pushing up without no form of retest, except for right over here. So let's see if it breaks his lower high, this previous lower high. I'm curious to see what it does. It is pushing up, so even though it's a really shitty idea, push all the way up to right over here, about 1.65 R. Yeah, so we'll see what we do here if we close above this zone. That was a nice little winner. Start off to end the week for my birthday tomorrow. I feel like Nasdaq never seems to disappoint me. I feel like my win rate on Nasdaq now, it's more, I make more money in Nasdaq than Forex pairs. EN just broke through that zone. 2R from this entry right over here. Makes sense to me. So I think we'll see something. We'll see a pop off the zone toward the Asia high. 2R already. That's a good move. But no retest that I wanted to see. So it is what it is. And I'm gonna close, I think, the majority of my position. I have to break up the 21 EMA and then I'll add in later if I see an entry. Also, guys, so if you guys are in Ace Effects or non-Ace Effects members, coaching package will be ending today. It's gonna be the last time I'm ever doing it again, just because it's not kind of my style for my brand. So yeah, if you guys are interested, check the link in bio. Also direct message me. I'm running a little flash sale for just certain number of people, small amounts, where I'm doing 50% off on the coaching package. So it's gonna be $100 for 3 calls. So yeah, let me know if you guys are interested. The coaching package will be ending today. I'll be taking it off my website tomorrow. And yes, sir. Looks like Ian is pushing down. Good entry right there as it makes higher lows. Take an entry off that higher low. So this was really a significant level as it was from yesterday's kind of a high, and then breaks the high, and then finally retests this high to go up. So it was kind of pretty good zone. That's why I was really confident in this, in like how what price action was doing. And even though it was kind of a riskier, it's kind of a scalp. I've been trading Nasdaq, so I mean, I'm comfortable with how I trade Nasdaq. I've been trading Nasdaq for literally more than 3 years now, and I know how it moves. I know how it operates. I know how it moves with D1s. I have literally like almost maybe thousands of markups with Nasdaq trades and Nasdaq ideas that I've traded myself. I wouldn't recommend anyone to trade the Nasdaq because it definitely has its, it definitely needs a touch. Like I don't think it's fully profitable with the D1. Um, because I use a form of kind of a D1 with my own kind of trading style. Typically on Nasdaq, you're not gonna see movers go 2R like from here. Sometimes you will, which is fucking amazing, but you can never tell when it does that. Like yesterday, as you can see here, I was at a 1R right over here, and it just literally like went 17R. Actually, a little bit more than 17R, like 18R. So you can never tell about these big moves. So for me personally, I just take advantage of the Nasdaq with the volatility and just scalp it for 1 hour. But it's definitely more advanced, and I think I'm the only one profitable with the Nasdaq and the ASFX group, just because it's just really hard to figure out the direction, figure out the moves, figure out that you're not on the wrong side of the direction, make sure that your divergence is off an actual significant level, and it's pushing up. I'm gonna update this at once. I think we're gonna see a big move today, just like we saw yesterday. I still have kind of a small piece in, so maybe I could take advantage of it. But I'm not really trying to swing trade it, just because it's the weekend, so it's gonna be the weekend. So I'm just gonna probably close most of it before the close of the market. Yeah, let's just continue pushing up. Looks like it pinned that zone. Well, we're about ending our trading session right over here. Really good session. Made literally like a quick about, I'll say around like 3.5%, almost 4%. But Suedo, you should turn on your sound because I'm pretty sure my sound is on. I'm pretty sure, right? There's no way I was on the stream without my no sound. Yeah, my sound is on. But yeah, we're about ending the trading session. Really fast winner right over here. Yeah, just grateful about it. About 3.5% for today. So I have a small piece in. So I feel like this thing will continue rising. We literally just went through this high, the daily pivot, as well as this high that I have here, this unsignificant high. So I'm gonna see if we get over here and see what we do here. But I think that we're gonna see a retest of the zone, continue going up for the day. So hopefully we break this previous high, yesterday's previous high from right over here, and then we can continue going up to ADR, which is about 250 points. But yeah, really good move. Not gonna lie, it was really good fast move for the Friday. I usually like trading Nasdaqs on Friday just because in Forex pairs I don't make a lot of money on Fridays, and then usually on Nasdaq before the market opens, not after the market opens, but before the market opens around this time, we really do see really good setups. For the last like month and a half, I've been seeing really good setups on Nasdaq on Fridays. So it's just it's pretty nice. So yeah, I can take advantage of quick moves. Um, but yeah, this move has been, continuing going on from yesterday. We were off a significant level from here, on Thursday, high, retest is high, continue going up. So, yeah, really significant level right over here. Even maybe, yeah, right all over here. You can see that price has been respecting this kind of a level. So, yeah, I mean, really fucking, amazing trade. That's a really nice start for, the weekend for me because tomorrow is my birthday, so I'm gonna enjoy myself. I rented a Tesla, so just gonna have some fun and just enjoy myself, enjoy my birthday. No trading on Monday, no live streaming on Monday, just because I'm taking a break from trading. Just because it's much needed after my after working so hard for so long for the last 4 months, 5 months, without a break. I think it's much needed. So yeah, it is what it is. I'm gonna have some fun. Again, guys, if you guys check the link in description, the coaching package is gonna be 50% off for today only because today's gonna be the last day. So if you guys are interested in taking advantage of that, link in bio, DM me on Instagram, Jace.brand, and then we can hook you up with it. Yeah, it's gonna be $100 instead of $199, $100 for 3 calls. So yeah, let me know if you guys are interested. Today will be the last and only day. I'm not going to do a coaching package ever again. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for attending the stream. Thank you so much for being here with me. And yeah, hopefully, you guys are going to have a freaking awesome weekend. Good freaking awesome rest of your trading session. Don't get into any stupid trades because it is Wildcard Friday. And yeah, so let me know if you guys have any questions or anything like that. And I'll see you guys tomorrow, not tomorrow, but Tuesday for the live stream, 5 a.m. CST.